Listen, things are going fantastic here in the world headquarters. The growth in Europe is outstanding, but it's really created a lot of work, and I was really worried about how we can get it all finished. So this morning, I decided to take matters into my own hands. I know. And it didn't go like I'd planned.
Don! What are you doing back here? I know Europe needs a lot of product, but this isn't helping. You've got to get out of here before someone catches you with this. I can assure you that any future growth and expansion in that area we are quite prepared for here. Don, look, this is Bob Montgomery's office. He is the CEO, Chief Executive Officer, the founder of the company. You can't be in here answering his phone calls.
I know Europe needs a lot of product, but this is the production line. You can't be back here. We have people qualified for this. We need to get out of here.
Good morning. This is the Distributor Service Center. May I take your order? Oh, you need more energized for France. Let me see what I can do. Good morning, Europe. Oh, for the UK. I'm not sure that we can help you today. I don't know what this is all about. Oh, Don, you can't be up here answering the phones. These people all know what they're doing. They'll handle Europe. It's time for you to go.
Hello, Reliv. This is Don. May I help you? Europe. Oh, just one moment, please. Hello, this is Reliv. Don. Europe. Wait, just one moment. Wait. Hello, Reliv. Don. Yes. Europe. Wait, just a minute. Hello. This is Don. Europe.
In fact, they started cloning themselves. Good news is, we've been able to corral all of those Dons. So right now, I just want you all to know how excited we are here in the St. Louis World Headquarters of Reliv. We know there's been incredible growth and records smashed in Europe all year long, and we know that's going to repeat itself in 2013. Now, I know you're going to hear from the mastermind behind the Reliv product line, Dr. Carl Hastings, and that will be incredible. And I know that we're going to be opening up in a market officially in your part of the world, and that's going to be a blockbuster for all of you. And I know where the next conference will be in your part of the world. I mean, could it be France? Could it be Germany? Possibly the UK? I think it's time all of you got some answers. So, without further ado, please help us welcome your Reliv Europe Managing Director, Eric Ville.